Guys, it's time to put the Tomei exhaust on. So let's slide this bad boy over, get a fresh pair of gloves on, and get it on. So I'm sliding this over, and it's time to hear what this thing's gonna sound like. I'm super hyped, a little nervous. It's gonna be a little too loud though, but let me get some fresh set of gloves on, and we'll get right to it. So first pipe would be this down pipe, I guess. I don't know, it connects to the down pipe actually. I put my down pipe in. I got it from Up Garage. Yeah, if you're just going Up Garage, you can find down pipes or whatever you want. But so there's a down pipe, and now I'm gonna lift this, I guess, mid pipe up. Let me get this pipe up, get it folded in. It's insane how light this is. It's so light. That's just it. Alright. It's not wrong. My down pipe is 3" also. So things are a little easier. Okay. That pipe is onto the next pipe, which is the mid pipe. This guy, this one has the hanger. Has a hanger right there. Flip over. Thing. Right? Yep. So that's flipped over as well. Plugs the chassis in. Going through this first. That's how low it hangs, because it looks kind of stupid how low it hangs. But this is just to get the car running. I can always modify it. Strongman Performance always looks me up, so I'm sure we'll be able to come up with something that looks a lot better than this, because this, can you guys even see it? You can kind of see it. But like, it's not really my style. I'd rather like a muffler, maybe in this section right here. And then just like a straight titanium tip would look a lot better in my opinion, but that's fine. It's fine for now. Let me just get this bolt. I'm a little nervous about it hitting the chassis. Like, I don't like that at all. But kind of loosely fitted right now. Looks like a Tomei exhaust. Now we got to get these springs on. I don't know how the hell I'm gonna get these springs on, but so they have these springs that like hook onto the exhaust, I'm guessing, so they don't slip off on top of the clamps. They could, I guess, they double safety. And you guys can see we got it fully installed. So now let's just tighten everything up and hope it doesn't hit right here, because like right there it's hitting. So let's just hope it like pushes out a little bit. Maybe I can tweak it a little bit. I don't even know. like which way I'll tweak it, down or up. Because I have another hanger there, but it can't. It has to go on this hanger. All right, let's tighten it all down. What are they? 10s, 12s, maybe 12s. Hopefully 12s, because I got 12 over here. Ooh, 14s. Even better. Like a little higher, but oh well. I'm sure they have their reasonings, but let's lower it down and hear the first start. All right, let's hear it. Hopefully it's not too loud. Probably is. Pretty loud. It's running rough because of the IAC. I mean, because of the intercooler stuff. The engine's quiet. Hopefully it's a little louder outside. I mean, it is echoing right off of the lift right there, but Jesus. Now we just gotta get a clean microfiber, wipe the exhaust down, get all my fingerprints off of it, and then I'm gonna go outside and see if it's a little quieter because, Jesus Christ, if that's how loud it is, not gonna be cool. That's a little too loud. I'm a little too old for all that. In the car, it's not as bad. In the shop too. There's the high idle. It's bad. The end of the last video of installing the Tomei. Super loud. This is 1,000 RPMs and it's already pretty loud. But I'm gonna run it for now. My buddy has strong hands said he might be able to get it quieter with putting maybe a cat and another muffler in there, but it's fine for now. Let's just make it to this event and we'll be fine. So that's the end of this video. We're just got done installing the Tomei exhaust. Don't recommend if you want it a nice, like, quiet type exhaust because it's definitely loud. Definitely a loud exhaust. As you can see, it's at 1,000 RPM. Definitely loud. So, if you guys are looking for a quiet exhaust, not the setup to go. I'm gonna get exhaust, a muffler on it, and maybe a catalytic converter also. Quiet it down some, but that's the end of this video, guys. Hope you guys liked, and I'll see you guys in the next one.